Virtual reality is immersive multimedia that replicates an environment, real or imagined, and simulates the user's physical presence to enable the user to interact with it. Potential of virtual reality is practically limitless. Tourism. Virtual reality will help enhance the real-world travel. For consumers, it helps you get a taste for an area or an activity before you actually decide to go. Virtual reality shopping. Instead of traveling from one shop to another in search for a perfect product or item, one can use virtual reality to either take a virtual tour of the store and pick the chosen item or buy it online. Property and real estates. The real estate market will be downsized by $57 billion. These funds are going to be relocated to cost-effective ways of acquiring leads and consumers. Here's where virtual reality steps in. One can actually experience the feel of being in the home while checking out the view of each room, as well as the positioning of each room. Virtual tour. A virtual tour is a simulation of an existing location, usually composed of a sequence of videos or still images. It may also use other multimedia elements, such as sound effects, music, narration, and text. It is distinguished from the use of live television to affect teletourism. Events and entertainment. Large or small, corporate or public, events essentially are based on the experiences. Virtual reality will give you an experience of actually being there and view the event in different angles. With wearable technology growing leaps and bounds and technology converging rapidly, virtual events promise to be as popular, if not more, as the live events. Automotive. With the help of virtual reality technology, one can actually experience sitting in the car and inspect its features. The customer can check out what the interior of the car looks like, experience the difference between the various versions of the car, get more understanding of its features, and overall actually get a test drive without really leaving home. Advertising. As the demand of creation for content in virtual reality increases, advertisers also would look at capitalizing on the viewer base.